Hello viewers, this is Coal City Technical. As you can see, we came and installed this ice block machine. It runs on solar. This is a 5 kVA solar. As you can see, it's a 5 kVA solar with 4 battery, 12 panel, and it's working very okay. Here is the ice block machine. This Coal City Technical. Live in Port Harcourt. 08066299127. For those of you who need our machines, distance is not a barrier. Getting your machine, like you see the talk. I did Port Harcourt like this now. Today is 12th February 2024. You come and install this machine. This is a size 60 block capacity. It runs on solar, as you can see, and it's working very okay. Here is the solar. There is the 5 kVA solar. If you need any of our machine, just call us on 08066299127. 08066299127. Let me show you guys. Here is the AC. And it's working very okay. Next thing we have the sound and fan. 08066299127. This machine runs on solar. If you need any of our machine, distance is not a barrier. Getting your machine, just WhatsApp or call us on 08066299127. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment, share. Thanks.